So here's the QEP 700XT tile watt saw with extension table. This is the third one that I bought, and I'm gonna show you the updates. They're all the same. Looks like there's no major updates. I've had the last two within the last 2-3 years, but here's what's included. It includes the rip guide, the angle guide, the extension table. There's a blade wrench, the 7-inch continuous rim diamond blade, and of course the manual. And then here it also comes with a manual, and here's the diamond blade that it came with. And make sure you take note of that arrow, because you will need that when you install it, when you attach the blade to the unit. So first you need to make sure to remove the blade shaft and the outer flank. So you will need a Phillips screwdriver to remove that, so you can attach the blade. So that's easy, and then now you will want to take that off. There's the manual that I was talking about. So just make sure to, and you have that hex that's included, so take that apart or take that off, and do not
the outer
forget
flank.
to take the,
So make sure you have it attached correctly, because this is you have to make sure this is secure so you can be safe using your tile saw. So you can tighten it with a wrench, but don't over tighten it. So just feel it. Make sure it moves once you've tightened it. And from there, reattach everything that you've taken out, the shaft and the cover. The rest of the attachments are easy. So this is the one you can attach it or not, but this is for safety. So you can just unscrew that loosely, and then you can just attach it. It's the rip guide. And there's an angle guide, and there's an extension table. So all of them are easy to attach. I usually take this off if I'm cutting like a large tile, because it wouldn't go through. But be careful and do it with caution. So if you don't have experience, don't do it. And here's that extension table. So you just have to push it through. It's very fast. And then this one is the angle guide. So you can use it if you're needing to cut angles. I've had that before, and I rarely use it, but definitely you can use it anytime, so make sure you don't lose it. And lastly, the power cord is at the bottom of the unit, so make sure you of course plug it in before using. And yes, you will need water before using it, so just fill it up to the line where the
water hole is. And then before turning it on, make sure you check the blades again, and then close it out, plug it in. You need to use an earplug because when you turn on the unit, it's not loud until you cut the tile, so it's really loud. You need earplugs, and then eye protector as well. And then with tile cutting, you also need to cover your nose because there's like dust and all. But here it is.